Hello friends, today we are going to learn Chapter 3 Fiber to Fabric. Some plant fibers, cotton, have you ever made wicks for oil lamps? What do you use for making these wicks? This cotton wool is also used for filling mattresses, quilts, or pillows. Take some cotton wool, pull it apart, and look at its edges. What do you observe? The small, thin strands that you see are made up of cotton fibers. Where does this cotton wool come from? It is grown in the fields. Cotton plants are usually grown at places having black soil and warm climate. Can you name some states of our country where cotton is grown? The fruits of the cotton plant are about the size of a lemon. After maturing, the balls burst open and the seeds covered with cotton fibers can be seen. From these balls, cotton is usually picked by hand. Fibers are then separated from the seeds by combing. This process is called ginning of cotton. Jute fiber is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. It is cultivated during the rainy season. In India, jute is mainly grown in West Bengal, Bihar, and Assam. The jute plant is normally harvested when it is at flowering stage. The stems of the harvested plants are immersed in water for a few days. The stems rot and fibers are separated by hand. To make fabrics, all these fibers are first converted into yarns. Spinning cotton yarn. The process of making yarn from fibers is called spinning. In this process, fibers from a mass of cotton wool are drawn out and twisted. This brings the fibers together to form a yarn. A simple device used for spinning is a hand spindle, also called takli. Another hand operated device used for spinning is charka. Use of charka was popularized by Mahatma Gandhi as part of the independence movement. He encouraged people to wear clothes made of homespun yarn termed as khadi and shun. Imported cloth made in the mills of Britain. To popularize and promote khadi, the government of India constituted a body called Khadi and Village Industries Commission in 1956. Spinning of yarn on a large scale is done with the people of spinning machines. After spinning, yarns are used for making fabrics. Yarn to fabric. There are many ways by which fabrics are made from yarns. The two main processes are weaving and knitting. You might have noticed that a fabric is made up of two sets of yarns arranged together. The process of arranging two sets of yarns together to make a fabric is called weaving. Let us try to weave some paper strips. Knitting. Have we noticed how sweaters are knitted? In knitting, a single yarn is used to make a piece of fabric. Have you ever pulled the yarn from a torn pair of socks? What happens? A single yarn gets pulled out continuously as the fabric gets unraveled. Socks and many other clothing items are made of knitted fabrics. Knitting is done by hand and also on machines. Weaving and knitting are used for making different kinds of fabric. These fabrics are used for a variety of clothing items.